Hi Micafam, Myra here. For today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo all about Ginvest, kung paano nga ba mag-buy or invest, and kung paano naman mag-sell or redeem ng ating order. If you're interested, please keep on watching. And guys, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video ko, 1-month update ng 4 na investment products dito sa Ginvest. Link will be in the description. Ano nga ba yung Ginvest, Ate Myra? Ginvest po is an investment marketplace feature ng GCASH app, and tayo bilang GCASH user, pwede po tayo makapag-invest sa various investment funds dito. Ang kagandahan guys, kung in the past, isang investment fund lang yung nandito, ngayon as of March 2021, meron ng total of 5 investment funds na pagpipilian. Merong local and global funds, and as low as 50 pesos, pwede na tayo makapag-invest. Grabe naman yun. And guys, by the way, kung gusto nyo malaman yung full details ng each investment fund, whether local man siya or global, meron akong video na nagawa. Check nyo po yung link down below. Okay? So, Ate Myra, ano ba yung requirements of an investment account? Number 1, kailangan at least 18 years old and above ka. Tapos, kailangan fully verified yung GCash account mo. And lastly, kailangan hindi nakatag as PowerPlay Plus account or payroll yung inyong account. Magkano nga ba yung minimum investment amount for the Ginvest funds? For the local funds guys, pwede ka nang makapag-invest as low as 50 pesos. Kung gusto mo namang mag-sell, 50 pesos as well. For the global funds, as low as 1,000 pesos. Ayan, pwede ka nang makapag-invest dito. Same with sell order. Ate Myra, gano'n naman katagal yung processing days for Ginvest transactions? For buy orders, for the local funds guys, it will take 2 to 3 banking days. And for the global funds naman, it will take 4 banking days. Paano naman kung sell order? For sell order, for the Atram Peso Money Market Fund, it will take 3 banking days. For the Atram Total Return Peso Bond Fund, will take 4 banking days. And para sa Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund, will take 5 banking days. Para sa dalawang global funds naman, it will take 7 banking days. So guys, kung first time ka sa Ginvest, kailangan muna nating mag-apply for a Ginvest account. And kung paano yan, punta tayo sa Ginvest under Financial Services. And then ito yung makikita natin. So continue lang tayo guys. And kailangan natin confirm yung ating email address. Tap lang natin yung proceed. After nyan, sagutin natin few questions para malaman kung anong klaseng investor tayo. Whether conservative or aggressive. And also guys, when answering these questions, kailangan honest tayo guys, okay? Wala namang tama or mali dito guys. So after answering, syempre confirm din natin kung US person tayo or hindi. Tap next. And then, double check natin yung answers natin guys. And then tap confirm. May user agreement, tap confirm. And then after that, ayan na. Makikita na natin kung anong klaseng appetite meron tayo sa pag-i-invest or kung anong klaseng investor tayo. Malalaman naman natin via email or SMS kapag ka-approve na po yung ating registration. So guys, once approved na yung registration ng inyong Ginvest account, pwedeng-pwede ka nang makapag-invest. Pwedeng-pwede ka nang makabuy ng any investment funds na gusto mo guys. And guys, take note ha, if for example, conservative kind of investor ka, yun yung risk appetite mo. Hindi ibig sabihin, hindi ka na pwedeng bumili ng aggressive or moderate kind of investment. Siyempre, pwede naman yan kung yun talaga yung gusto mong bilhin. But take note, kailangan mong i-acknowledge na aware ka na mas higher yung risk rating ng gusto mong bilhin na funds. And aware ka sa risk involved in buying those funds. But anyway, after nyan, ayan, tuturo ko na nga sa inyo paano nga ba mag-buy, Ate Myra. Okay, so guys, andito tayo sa Global Technology Feeder Fund. Tap lang natin yung buy na nasa baba. And sabi dito guys, yung fund daw na gusto nating i-buy ay merong higher risk rating than our risk appetite. Conservative po kasi yung risk rating ko guys. So sabi dito, if you proceed, ina-acknowledge daw natin na aware tayo sa potential risk involved sa pag-invest sa fund po na ito. So kung sure ka na, tap lang natin yung proceed. And ayan, yung sa baba, I agree to the Fund's Participation Trust Agreement. Tap lang natin yan guys, and madadirect tayo dito sa user agreement po nila. Ayan, maganda kung basahin natin to guys. And tap natin yung I agree to the fund's key information and investment disclosure statement and risk disclosure statement. Okay. So, eto na siya. Better if you can read this sa PC or laptop, guys, para mas clear. Kasi kung dito sa mobile phone, sobrang liit po talaga. And tap lang natin yung proceed. Okay. Tap lang natin or enter natin dito yung OTP na sinend via SMS and then tap natin yung submit code. And lagay natin dito yung amount na gusto nating i-invest. So, minimum amount po is 1,000 pesos. And 1,000 yung ilalagay natin dito. Guys, standard processing po is 4 business days. Tap lang natin yung next, guys. And dito tayo sa confirmation page. Yung ating 1,000 pesos po ay equivalent po to 5 units based on the latest NAV po. And tap lang natin yung I agree to the buy order terms. Ito na ulit yung terms, guys. Ayan. Okay. So guys, yung binili po natin is a global fund. So mas matagal po ito, guys, ha. Now tap lang natin yung confirm na nasa baba. Alright, buy order placed po. Sabi dito, being processed na po yung ating order. And makaka-receive naman tayo ng SMS kapag confirmed na. So, yung status ng ating order ngayon is placed. And we have to wait 4 business days for the buy order to be completed. And, ayun po guys. So, anyway, pa-flash ko po dito sa screen kung gaano katagal yung hihintayin bago malagay or bago kung gaano katagal yung hihintayin bago ma-post po sa ating Ginvest. So, ngayon ituturo ko sa inyo paano mag-sell, paano mag-redeem, paano mag-withdraw, or paano mailalabas yung ating in-invest na pera dito sa Ginvest po. Tap natin itong show more, then Ginvest. And dito makikita natin yung ating investments, guys. Tap lang natin yung view investment products. And dito makikita na natin each of the investment products po. Ayan, as you can see, na gusto kong i-sell yung aking money market fund po. Tap natin yung view details. And here you go, guys. Ayan, as you can see, 208.93 yung ating pera dito. And so, dito sa baba, as you can see, merong sell tsaka buy. Sell kung gusto mong ilabas yung pera. Pag buy naman, gusto mong dagdagan yung investment mo dito. Alright? So, tap natin po itong sell. And ilagay natin dito yung amount na gusto nating i-withdraw or i-redeem. Let's put 208.93. And sabi dito, guys, standard order processing time po is 3 business days after order replacement. After order placement. Anong replacement, Ate Myra? Tap next. Okay, so guys, andito na tayo sa confirmation page. Isisell down natin yung ating 208.93. Ibig sabihin, wala talaga tayong ititira dito sa ating money market fund. And yung unit equivalent po nito is 1.89 units po based on the latest NAV po. Now, tap natin tong I agree to sell. Ayan guys, if you have time, you can read. Pero ito po yung kanyang schedule of redemption or sell order transactions for each fund on Ginvest below. So for the global funds, pag gusto mong mag-sell or redeem po, then that will take, overall processing po will be 7 banking days. For the local funds naman, it will take 3 to 5 banking days po. Depende kung anong klaseng investment product yung gusto mong i-redeem. Okay? And sinabi dito guys, so only one redemption or sell order can be placed at a time per investment fund po. Should you wish to place another redemption or sell order, kailangan daw mag-wait. Kailangan ma-confirm muna yun bago ka mag-sell ng other investment products. For example, ngayon, try nating mag-sell nitong ating money market fund. we have to wait po na itong ating money market fund ay ma-confirm muna bago tayo makapag-redeem or sell ng other investment products. Let's say, gusto nating i-sell yung ating peso bond fund or whatnot. Ayan, hintayin muna natin ma-confirm yung ating money market fund na sell order po. Alright? And then confirm lang tayo dito. Sell order placed. Wait now natin yung order kasi processing pa siya and makaka-receive tayo ng SMS. Ayan. So, ito yung ating confirmation, guys. Yung order status ng ating sell order is placed but we have to wait 3 business days po para completed na po yung ating order. Marireceive po natin yung ating na-redeem na amount, 208.93 sa ating GCASH wallet. At kung kailan yan, syempre, update ko kayo, guys. Alright? So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. At kung hindi ka pa part ng Micafam, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka every time meron tayong bagong videos, merong bagong updates, and merong giveaways for you. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.